How to edit text in an image in Canva. If you want to change or replace text that's already inside an image using Canva, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open Canva and open the design you want to edit. Next, upload your image if it isn't already in your project. Click on the image to select it. If Canva detects editable text in the image, depending on the tools available in your version of Canva, select the text you want to replace, then enter your new text. If the text isn't editable because it's part of the image, you can cover the original text by adding a shape with a matching color. Then, click Text from the left sidebar, add a new text box, and type your replacement text. Adjust the font, size, color, and position until it matches the original design. Once you're happy with the result, click Share, then Download to save your edited image. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, make sure to like the video, and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.